Yes, good morning students. Today I will teach you the third lesson, the unit number 3, the Galileo. Students, have you heard about the name Galileo or Indian astronomers Aryabhat? I think you have studied in last class the sun family, planets, stars. So today let us discuss about the astronomer Galileo. So before discussing the lesson, I'll ask some questions, general question. First one is, name some heavenly bodies. Name some heavenly bodies. Answer is stars, planet. I'll write here. Stars, planets, meteors and asteroids. Next question is, what is astronomy? What is astronomy? The astronomy is the science of stars, planets and the universe. Astronomy is the science of stars, planets and universe. Astronomy is the science of stars, planets and the universe. Next question, name an Indian astronomer. Do you know about his name? His name is Aryabhata. He is also famous Indian astronomer. Next one is, what is a planetarium? What is a planetarium? There is one in Karnataka. Where is it? There is one in Karnataka. Where is it? The planetarium is a building. Answer. The planetarium is building in which images of stars, planets and constellations are projected onto a domed ceiling. That means inside the building. Yes, there is a planetarium in Bangalore. That name is the Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. The Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. Next question, what instrument do astronomers use? What instrument do astronomers use? That instrument name is telescope. The astronomers use this telescope to study the universe, stars and all the things. Yes, children, coming to the first para. First I will read. It is a common knowledge. It is common knowledge today that the earth is a planet. You have also the knowledge, the earth is a planet. It is a family of sun. This planet revolving around the sun. It is a common knowledge today that the earth is a planet revolving around the sun. But there was a time not many centuries ago, when even learned men believed that the earth was fixed in space and the sun and all other heavenly bodies went round it. When even learned men believed that the earth was fixed in space and sun and all other heavenly bodies went around it, the man who first brought to light the facts about them was a great scientist and astronomer called Galileo Galilei. The man who first brought to light the facts about them was a great scientist and astronomer called Galileo Galilei. He was born in the year 1564 in the Italian town of Pisa. See children, it is common knowledge today that the earth is planet revolving around the sun. Already you might know the earth is also planet. The earth is also planet in the sun family. Among 9 planets, earth is also one planet. Say, but there was a time not many centuries ago. That means only few centuries ago, this thing, whatever the thing is going on, that is from few centuries ago, when even learned men believed that the earth was fixed. In that time, they know about the knowledge the earth is fixed in space and the sun and all other heavenly bodies went around it. The heavenly bodies are stars, planets and asteroids. What they thought? The earth is fixed, sun and all the planets are surround this earth. Is it correct? No. The sun is fixed. All the planets are surrounding around the sun. The man who first brought to light the facts about them was a great scientist. The great scientist and astronomer. His name is Galileo Galilei. The astronomer, he is a scientist. He studied about the universe, stars, planets and other asteroids. So he was born in the year 1564. The Galileo born in the year 1564 in Italian town of Pisa. The country name is Italy. The town place is Pisa. In the year 1564, the Galileo born and in the country that is Italian town of Pisa. The town place name is Pisa. Remember the year, it carries half marks or 1 marks in the which year the Galileo born and where he born. Very important. Second para. In the year 1608, a man called Hans Lippershey, a native of Holland, invented the telescope. The instrument with which astronomers watch the skies. The telescope makes distant objects appear to be near and magnified several times over. Magnified several times over. See the new words. The astronomer. A scientist. Astronomer means a scientist who studies heavenly bodies. Next one is invent. Invent. Find out something new. The invent means find out something new. And one more word is discover. Find out something which has already there but was not known until then. Find out the something which was already there but not known until then. So, and one more word is there, magnified. Magnify means make bigger. So whatever the invented, that material is magnified means it make it as a bigger, larger. It improved. In the year 1608, a man called Hans Lippershey, one astronomer scientist, his name was Hans Lippershey, a native of Holland. He was belonged to Holland. Invented. He find out the something new to, that is the name, that is a telescope. The instrument name is the telescope. The instrument, the telescope means the instrument with which astronomers watch the skies. The telescope makes distant objects. See, through this telescope we can see the objects appear to be near the magnified several times over. That means we can see the materials through the telescope, that is the bigger it appears like a bigger. Yes, third para. When Galileo heard about the invention, he became greatly interested. In it. He had at this time begun to study astronomy. And he saw that the invention would be wonderful add to the astronomers. He set to work on making a telescope for himself, and very soon succeeded in making one which was better than the one Lippershey had made. See, in third para, this scientist Galileo heard about this invention. The Lippershey who had invented this telescope, he became greatly interested. That means Galileo become very interested in the telescope. He had at this time begun to study astronomy. After this seeing this telescope, he started the study of astronomy, and he saw the invention of would be wonderful aid to the astronomer. Aid means one material. He set to work on making a telescope. He set to work on the making telescope for himself, and very soon succeeded in making one which was better than this Laplace's telescope. He improved, the Galileo improved that instrument, the telescope. He make it a magnifier, bigger. He improved the telescope of that Laplace's telescope. This bigger telescope he made. Fourth para. Galileo's telescope was the first that was ever turned towards the stars. Looking through it, he saw 100 times as many stars as he could see with his bare eyes. He looked at the Milky Way. The broad white band of light seen across the sky at night, and found that it contained millions and millions of faint stars. He turned the telescope on the moon. And what he saw filled with amazement. On the moon's surface, which seems to so smooth, he saw high mountains. On the moon, he saw high mountains and deep valleys like those on the earth. See, children, the Galileo improved the Laplace's telescope, and it was the first that turned toward the stars. He saw the stars through his improved telescope. Through it, he saw 100 times as many stars as he could see with his naked eyes. With simple eyes, more than thousands of million stars he observed in the sky. He looked at the Milky Way. That means white, broad one space was. He observed the broad white band of light. The broad white band of light seen across the sky at night. At the night time, he observed that one white band in the sky, and found that whatever the band is there, inside that he observed the millions and millions of faint stars. Faint. New word? Faint means not clear. He observed the millions stars that they are not clear. Then one day he turned the telescope, he observed the stars, and one day he observed that he turned the telescope on the moon. He observed the moon through the telescope, and what he got? He saw filled him with amazement. He saw filled him with amazement. Amazement means the great surprise He get a surprise, great surprise, when he observed the moon. On the moon surface, which seems to so smooth, he saw high mountains and deep valleys like those on the earth. He observed the mountains and valleys on the moon through his improved telescope, Galileo's telescope. Yes, fifth para. Greatly excited by these discoveries. See, greatly excited. Excite means feel pleased and interested. Feel pleased and the Galileo excited with the interest by these discoveries. Galileo carried his telescope to Venice and showed it to the learned men of that city. Showed it to the learned men of that Venice city. The people of the Venice crowded at his house to have a look at the looking tube. The people of Venice crowded at his house to have a look at the looking tube. They took it to the top of high buildings. And looked through it at the ships out in the sea. They saw ships 50 miles away. Appearing to be only 15 miles off. When the rulers of Venice was shown the instrument, he was greatly pleased with the invention and appointed Galileo